Look, there you go.
You look like a Whopper man.
Yeah, he's a Godzilla. He's old school. Oh, thank you. Okay, hey, you tell them thank you, and you tell him thank you too, baby. You forgot to tell him thank you. You tell him thank you. You're welcome. Okay. All right.
And then we drove up. Does that make you feel better? According to John, I said, does that make you feel better?
They already got it.
Wait for us.
Go say trick or treat. Go say trick or treat, and then tell them thank you when they're done. Okay. You tell them trick or treat, and you say thank you.
Thank you.
Hi.
There you go. You're welcome. Happy Halloween. Have a good one, okay?
Okay. Okay, you tell them thank you after they give you something, okay? Tell them thank you. Okay. Very important for you to say thank you. Oh, look at the puppy, so cute.
Hey, look,
Oh.
there's one kid that's dressed up as Flash.
Yeah. Oh, he's a Splash. That's cool, man. Okay, say trick or treat. Tell her thank you. Thank you. Oh, he said thank you before I told him.
You bet.
Thank you.
You bet. Have fun.
He's saying thank you before I tell him this time. Amazing. What a good boy. Wait, Anthony. Say trick or treat.
You better hold on. That's your stability in there.
What do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Teach. Oh, me hold this. Okay, yes, sir.
I'll go.
I'm the mom. I get to hold it. All right.
Hey, Ryan. Ryan. Ryan.
Don't go with that. Sister.
Here, Anthony. Over here. Yeah. Did you tell her thank you? You told her thank you. Okay, good job. Okay. Okay. You go say trick or treat. Say thank you.
Please hold me.
Hurry. What are we hurrying for? Look, there's your teacher from Royal Kindergarten.
Oh, you know what? I really need some shoes like that.
Right, I do too.
Godzilla
Godzilla
feet.
feet.
Okay.
Right.
Can y'all not go?
Hi.
Thank you.
Did you say thank you?
He did.
Okay. All right. Getting him trained. Say thank you. Thank you. He's Godzilla. He's old school, man. He's Godzilla. Look, there's your best friend, dude. There's Jaden. You're
His costume every time we've done anything.
he's like, where's Jaden? We gotta call Jaden. We gotta call Jaden.
Hey, hold my hand.
Okay, did you tell them thank you?
You ready?
Did you tell Anthony? Okay, don't get mad at me.
I'm nodding my head. God.
Get mad at me because I make him tell thank you. He's like, I already told him.
There you go.
Thank you.
Oh, you said thank you. Awesome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, he's saying thank you without me telling him to. Thank goodness.
Let's go back to the car.
Hey! This girl from your class. Wait, you missed Jaden. Jaden was over there saying, hi, Anthony, hi, Anthony, hi, Anthony. You completely missed